Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sky is Your Limit. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get instant notifications of our videos. So let's continue with the series on HTML. So in this lesson, we will see this frame tag and then we will see iframe tag. Okay. So let me introduce first these two tags. Okay. So here frame tag defines the particular area within an HTML file where another HTML web page can be displayed. Okay. So a frame tag is used with frame set tag and it divides a web page into multiple sections or frames. Okay. And each frame can contain different web pages. Okay. But remember that we should not use this frame tag as it is not supported in HTML5. So instead you can use this iframe tag or division tag with CSS to achieve similar effect in HTML. So we have seen these two tags. Okay, so let me go to my Sublime text editor and I have already make one code for this. Okay, so this is the title and here I have not specified body tag. Okay, because frame tag is not cannot be used in body tag. Okay, if you use this syntax into the body tag, it will not display anything. Okay, so you have to use this syntax into the head and HTML. Okay, so here we have to specify the frames. Okay, what you need, what you want to put here. So first I will put, okay, so let me show you. Here I will first put this image file aaa.jpg, then I will put this lesson1.html document. Okay, and then I will put this lecture7.pdf. Okay, so let me first put here aaa.jpg, then I will put lesson1.html and then I will put here lecture7.html. No, okay, PDF. So let's save this and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, our three frames are loaded. Okay, in our web page. You can also do like this. Okay, so this is our photo and this is the HTML document and this is our PDF file. Okay, so by this way you can do this and you can also put here website also. So let me put my website here. So my website is http. Okay, okay, so let's save these and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, our photo and PDF are loaded and our website is loading now. So wait for a while. Okay, so our website has been loaded in our web page. Okay, you can access this website from here also. So let me show you that. Okay, so as you can see, our output is expected. Okay, so by this way you can practice this frame tag. Okay, so it is enough for this frame tag and let me use this iframe tag. Okay, so for this we have to use this body tag. Okay, and let's use this iframe tag. So this is the syntax of iframe tag. Okay, and one quick information for you, that let me show you. Here we have specified this column and we have specified the percentage. So how much area should cover this first frame, this second frame or this third frame. Okay, we can also change this area also. So let me do that one. Let me put here 14 and let's put here 35. So you will see difference. Okay, So as you can see the different. Okay, so you can also put here row also. So let me put rows. So it will give our expected output. Okay, so you can see it is loaded in the row wise. Okay, so by this way you can practice this frame set tag. Okay, so let me introduce this frame tag. Okay, so let me type body tag and then okay iframe tag. Okay, so this is the iframe tag. Okay, you can also put videos, images, or anything you want. Okay, so let me type here my website. Okay, so let's save this and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, our website has been loaded in this small frame. Okay, we can also set the height and width of it. Okay, so let me set that one. Width as 600 and height as 500. Okay, so let's save this and let's refresh. So as you can see, the output as expected. Okay, so by this way you can practice this frame or iframe tag. You can also put here images or videos or YouTube. Okay, so it is your choice what you need to put here. So it is enough for today. We will meet in the next tutorial. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye. Thank you.